Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it if your taskbar is missing on your laptop, tablets, or desktop. So if your taskbar has disappeared or isn't showing up, follow along step by step to get it back. All right, let's dive in. First, move your mouse cursor down to the bottom of your screen. Your taskbar should appear when you hover over it. Once it shows up, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. If that doesn't work, you can also press the Windows plus I key on your keyboard to open the settings. Once you're inside the settings, tap on Personalization on left side. Now scroll down and tap Taskbar. Either method will take you to the same page. Once you're in Taskbar Settings, scroll down to Taskbar Behaviors and expand that section. Look for the option Automatically Hide the Taskbar and make sure it's unchecked. And that's it. Your taskbar should now stay visible, just like before. This simple fix usually solves the problem, and now you can get back to using your computer without any interruptions. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick, easy tutorials like this.